Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So in this video we'll discuss the first problem of Leetcode Weekly Contest 348. It's written that it's a medium level problem, however it's an easy one because you get 3 points when you solve it, and it's also the first problem of the contest, so yeah, maybe an error. So the problem name is minimize string length. The problem statement says that given a zero indexed string s, repeatedly perform the following operation any number of times. Okay, what is that operation? Choose an index I in the string and let C be the character in position I. Delete the closest occurrence of C to the left of I if there is any, and the closest occurrence of C to the right of I if there is any. Okay, your task is to minimize the length of S by performing the above operation any number of times. Return an integer denoting the length of the minimized string. Okay, for example, the first string that I have is AABC. Sorry, AAABC. Okay, so suppose I choose this character. So this character is equals to A. Okay, so I will delete the closest occurrence of A on its left. That means this will be deleted. I'll also delete the closest occurrence of A on the right side. This will be deleted. My string is ABC. Okay, now if you see, there is no possibility of deleting any extra character, right? Because you need to have more than one occurrence of a character to delete it. Okay, so that's why my answer is ABC. However, AAABC. Okay, if you choose this, I chose this index. What if I chose this index, right? What happens? So on the left hand side there is no A, however on the right hand side the closest A is this, so this gets deleted. Okay, so I'm left out with AABC. Now you can choose any index, either this or this. So if you choose this, this will be deleted, so you are left out with ABC. So irrespective of in which order the operations you perform, or rather whichever index you choose, the final answer is going to be same, right? Ultimately you'll be left out with only one occurrence of a particular character in the string, right? You can see here as well, CBBD. So if you choose this will be deleted. CBD is something you'll be left out with. CBBD, if you choose this will be deleted. So CBD, you can see the string is same. Okay, so ultimately the length of the length of the string that you are left out with is 3. 3 is your answer. Here you are left out with again a 3 length string, so 3 is your answer. What about this guy? It's DDDAAA. Now choose any character you want. Suppose I choose this gets deleted. Then again if I choose this gets deleted. If I choose this gets deleted. Again if I choose this gets deleted. I am left out with DA, and finally the answer is 2. Okay, so ultimately what is happening, if there is a character which has more than one frequency, so all the other occurrences of deleted except a single occurrence, right? So that means we are left in the final string. I am left out with the distinct characters. Okay, whatever is my initial string. Okay, so the number of distinct characters that I'm left out, I have in my string. Okay, that will be my answer. That will be my final string, right? So all I need to do here is I need to count the number of distinct characters that I have in my original string, and that is my answer, right? Because if you have more than one occurrence of a particular character, that will be deleted, right? For example, I have one character here, one character here. So if you choose this will be deleted, or you choose this will be deleted. Okay, the deletion operation will stop only when you do not have a character having more than one frequency. Okay, the length of the string is 100. So you can see, as I told you, the code is very simple. I take a set because I need to find the number of distinct characters. There could be multiple ways to find distinct characters. I have chosen set. Okay, I traverse the string, I keep on adding the characters in the set, and finally I return the size of the set. Okay, and that's my answer. It will have the distinct characters that are present in the original string, right? So yeah, that's it for this solution. I hope this problem was interesting. So do support the video if you learn something new. Also, in case you are new to the channel, do subscribe it for daily Leetcode videos. I would say daily weekly contest videos. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.